Hello friends, welcome back to another video in the series of chemistry lectures. In this video we are going to calculate the mass of compounds. In the last video we have calculated the mass of elements, single element. But the agenda for this lecture is to calculate the mass of compounds. Okay, so the formula that we are going to use is given mass is equals to number of mole multiplied by atomic or molecular mass, right? So this is the formula through which we are going to calculate the mass. Our first question is calculate the mass in 0.25 mole of CaCO3. Calcium carbonate has a number of mole as 0.25, and what we have to do is to calculate the mass of calcium carbonate. Okay, so starting from the first point, that is to create a data, you have to write mole is equals to 0.25, and the next thing is to calculate the molecular mass. Molecular mass is equals to, the compound is CaCO3. Okay, so we are going to calculate the atomic mass of calcium is 40 plus the atomic mass of carbon is 12 plus atomic mass of oxygen is 16, and it contains the 3 number of atom. So we will multiply 16 into 3. Okay, so now what we have to do is to calculate this sum. Alright, 40 plus 12 is 52, and 16 into 3 is 48, and we will add 52 into 48, right? The sum will become 100. So it means that the molecular mass of calcium carbonate is 100 AMU. Okay, so what we have to find is mass. The next thing is we are going to use this formula through which we can calculate the mass. So I have pasted the formula over here and just substitute the value. Mass is equals to number of mole is 0.25 multiply by 100. If we will multiply 0.25 into 100, the answer will become 0.25 multiply by 100. The answer will become 25. That means 25 gram. The unit of mass is gram. That means that 0.25 mole of calcium carbonate contains 25 gram of mass. Alright, so the second question in the list is calculate the mass in 0.5 mole of Na2CO3. Again, we have to create the data first and create a data. After, what you have to write is mole is equals to 0.5. Same as like before, you have to calculate the molecular mass. How can you calculate? First, you have to evaluate for what compound you are going to calculate the molecular mass. We are going to calculate the molecular mass of Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. Okay, so the mass number of sodium is 23, and it contains the 2 electron, that will be multiplied by 2, plus the mass number of carbon is 12, and it only has a 1 electron, so we are not going to multiply with anything. Then you have to write plus, and the oxygen will come next to the carbon. The atomic mass of oxygen is 16, and it contains 3 atoms. So I will multiply it with 3. Now what we have to do is to calculate its sum. 23 into 2 is 46. 46 plus 2 is 58, and 58 multiplied by 58 sum with 16 into 3. without any wasting time, just calculate with this type. 23 into 2 is 46 plus 12 plus 16 into 3. Okay, it is giving me the wrong answer. Let me calculate it again. 46 plus 12 is 58. Just keep in mind 16 into 3 is 48. 48 plus 58 is equals to 106. It will be 106. So 106 AMU. Okay. Now the next thing what we have to find is mass. Just paste the formula that we have to use. Now mass is equals to number of mole is 0.5 and the molecular mass is 106. The 106 multiplied by 0.5. 106 into 0.5. The answer will be 53. Okay, so mass is equals to 53 gram. This is the way that you can calculate the mass of sodium carbonate if 0.5 moles will be given, right? So the third question in our list is calculate the mass of 1.75 mole of MgO. First you have to create the data. Just write mole is equals to 1.75. The next thing is molecular mass of MgO. Okay, so Mg means magnesium and magnesium has the mass number of 24 plus oxygen 16. 24 plus 16 is 40 AMU. The molecular mass of magnesium oxide is 40 AMU. What we have to calculate is mass of MgO. Alright, I am again going to paste the formula, and the next thing you have to do is mass is equals to number of mole is 1.75 into molecular mass is 40. Just go on to the calculator, erase the previous readings and multiply 1.75 with 40. Answer will be 70. Okay, so the 70 gram is our answer for 1.7 mole of magnesium oxide. Hope you understand the concept how to calculate the mass of any compound. So that is all for today's lecture. Hope you understand. If you have any question related to this lecture, then you can comment in this comment section. I will try my best to answer your all type of queries and try to clarify all your confusion. Thank you.